us. I sometimes get clients who work with 3 or 4 other strategists before they come to me. Now, I am not thinking at all that those strategists were bad or even that the strategy was bad. What often happens is a lot of business owners kind of hope that the strategy and the action plan that they get is going to go, I magically got my marketing sorted, and it doesn't. And the reason it doesn't is it because there's pain involved in change. There's pain and discomfort in pushing through barriers of learning and having to push through that. I feel it. Sometimes I think, oh my gosh, can my brain actually stretch enough to cope with this learning I've got to do right now? I don't have time for this. I want to be able to do other stuff that I feel comfortable in. This is too stressful. I just don't want to do it. And that's what I feel so many people feel about their marketing. What I've worked out is you have to have a big enough why to push yourself past the pain barrier. Now, for some of us, that big enough why might be, if I don't get my marketing sorted out, I'm not going to have any sales. Part of the problem with this is that marketing is a long game sport towards getting that sales goal. You don't often just put a post up and then get a sale. Sometimes you do, but that's a bit lucky. It's about creating a long-term plan. So if that is the desire and the movement, it's not going to push you past the pain barrier. So what I ask you to do is find your big why. What's the long-term goal that you're going to push towards that will get you past that pain barrier and start doing that marketing? That will help you.